Hey there, Matthew here. So I have the brand new earbuds from Bang & Olufsen, the BEO Play E10s here. These were just released. These retail for $399. I know it is a steep price for these earbuds. Is it worth the $399? So what we're gonna do right now is more just an unboxing of this product and see how it looks, how does it feel. And then from there, later on, I will test these and do a full review of these and see if they compare to the Bang & Olufsen EQ earbuds. These are a little bit of a different design, and so they still have great sound, and I really do like the sound of these, but we're gonna see if these compare to these, so stay tuned. Okay, so we have the box here. It looks really nice. It's very small, sleek, all that. I do have the B&O EQ earbuds right here just for a little comparison if you want to say that later on after unboxing this. So I do have my unboxing knife right here, so we're gonna go cut and cut right here on the sides. Do that, and we'll just quickly take this plastic off of this box. So we don't need that at all, and then we'll just kind of slide this open just like that. And the first thing you see would be the case itself. It is like a matte metal finish. It's very similar to this. This is matte finish. This is not quite matte finish. So just so you can compare, the case is a little bit thicker than the B&O EQs. So you do have that USB-C charging right there, which is nice also. So you do have that. Also in the box, you do get just some paperwork, and then right here you do get USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and then you do get some earbud tips. You do extra small, small, large, which means the medium are pre-installed in with the earbuds. And then you do get some Comply foam ear tips as well. So silicone, Comply foam. So as you can see, you do get the case, the charging case here with the earbuds, obviously. Then you do get a USB-C to USB-A charging cord. You get some extra small, small, and large silicone ear tips in the box. The medium ear tips are already pre-applied to the earbuds, and then you get a set of Comply memory foam ear tips, and then you just get some paperwork talking about the app or a quick start guide, and then just some warranty. So that's that as well. My first thought on these is that the case is nice. However, I do hate that the case does have this weird finish right here. I know it's to make it a little bit more grippy and it doesn't slide out of your pocket, but if you ask me honestly, I'm not a huge fan of it because it almost feels like that chalky feel. Whenever I pull it out of my pocket, I just kind of feel like I'm about to scratch a chalkboard, so that really is not something that I really am a fan of. I wish that they went with the finish of the EQs. This is more of a smooth finish right here. It does still look very nice. It is a little bit bigger than the EQ case, as you can see here. Yes, the EQ case is more cylindrical and long, but if you put them like this, you can see that the EQ case is a little bit slimmer this way, and then also it's roughly the same size this way, but I think looking at it here, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but looking at it here, the EQ case is a little bit shallower. So just be aware that yes, this is a pill shape versus a box shape, but this does seem a little bit slimmer in my pocket from what I can tell. So just be aware of that. But just like the EQ case, it does have USB-C charging, as you can see here, and it does do wireless charging, which is nice. So I'll put that to the side. As you can see here, on the inside here, you do have these nice touch capacitive pads here. It took me a minute when I first started using them just to kind of get the correct placement of the touch pads, but after a while it became second nature, and it really does work pretty well. So just be aware that it does give you a nice satisfying click, so I do like that as well. Other than that, this is a nice premium case. It is made out of metal, if I am feeling it correctly, or a metal-like plastic, I'm not sure, but it does feel good besides that finish. And you do have the Bang & Olufsen logo right here, or the branding right there. I will take these out, as you can see here. It does have these charging pins here, and it kind of snaps into place. So as you can see there, it just snaps into place. So that's really nice that it does do that. They are kind of a traditional earbud style, not like your regular EQs or your Bose or your let's say your Sony, but you do get kind of the stem design, like let's say the OnePlus Buds Pro right here, or the Apple AirPods Pro, or Nothing Air One, stuff like that. You do get that kind of design kind of with these earbuds. So just so you can see that, yeah, so you can see it is kind of a nice design. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you kind of the fit wise, how they look in my ears. What do you think? You can't really see them stick out too much. Of course, they do have that stem, so just like the AirPod Pros, AirPods, stuff like that, you do have that. But overall, it does look very, very nice. And these actually feel very, very comfortable. Not too heavy, again, like I said, not too light. They just feel good in the ears, very comfortable. Overall, I do think it does look good. The case, again, like I said, Qi wireless charging. You can charge it with any Qi wireless charger, and you do have a USB-C to USB-A charger, so you can charge it with that, just like that, as you can see there. Thank you guys for watching. That has been my Bang & Olufsen BEO Play E10 unboxing. I'll do more of a review of these that really go into the sound quality of these in a couple weeks. I am pretty busy with work going on, but also I'm getting ready to move into a new apartment, and so it's going to be a little bit crazy, but I hope to get a review video of these in the next few weeks. I do have a video coming up, maybe in 2 weeks, give or take, unboxing the brand new Razer Blade 15 2022 edition. So be on the lookout for that. I'm excited for the unboxing and the review of that. I did a review and unboxing of the Dell XPS 15 2020 version, so this is going to be my new daily computer and new daily workhorse when it comes to video editing. So be on the lookout for that video too. I'm very excited for that. So we've got some cool products coming out. These, the review, the computer, and just overall, I'm super excited. Thank you guys for watching. Again, this has been my Bang & Olufsen BEO Play E10 unboxing video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I post another video. Until then, everyone, stay safe. Peace.